Well, we got another package. Let's check it out. Doggy doggy. Welcome back to another unboxing video. Today we have something from Army Navy Outdoors. Feel free to check them out. A large variety of items. Army Navy Outdoors. So let's go ahead and get you out of the way. Thank you. Let's see how we can get this open. We have Army Navy Outdoors, and they also tend to put pictures with their description. Last item on the list is this one, Eagle Industries MBITR Radio Pocket Use. So the MBITR. Let's see here. Got the little latch here. Cord retention. Inner strap there. And you can see how it opens up. Two straps actually, to retain the unit itself. MOLLE on the back, and here's our label. So you can see there, Eagle Industries, MBITR radio pouch. Next up, it looks like 2-pack new USMC hydration pouch. GP MOLLE special kit. I do believe that's these two. Let's see. These are grade 1. You can see the labels there. Okay. So it actually opens up this size. Grommets at the bottom. I'll double check this thing. Yeah, there was a grommet underneath the radio pouch for drainage. Latch. You can see rubberized material to help against condensation. And on the back, 2 MOLLE loops and USMC pack hydration pouch with the NSN number. Eagle Industries. Let's check out this one as well. So this one is a proper. Both have the QR codes, but again, this one's Eagle Industries and this one is proper. Pretty similar components and stitching. Same locations. Different color snaps, but very close. Looks like this material might be very slightly lighter than this one, but 2 of the USMC, I guess they marked them down as FILBE hydration pouches. Continuing, let's see, we have here this large pack, US issue ACU knee and elbow pad set type 2 new. Let's make a little space here. The other items. Looks like it's sealed right here. So you can see here that was the original label with the cage code. And it does have that universal camouflage pattern. So these being the knee pads. Type 2 meaning the lighter style of impact area. You can see the softer padded area on the inside. A little bit of flexibility there. And these loop locations here. See how that will go on. If I can get it on. But you can basically see how that will go like that. And then likewise, pad number. And then the elbow pads as well. These ones having hook and latch for sizing. And as well, the impact areas there. and that one there. So set of the US issue ACU knee and elbow pad set type 2. So we'll grab these two next. USMC issue Coyote MOLLE dump pouch military surplus. So you can see here. Top closure. And these would snap in this way onto whatever attachment points you want to use, and then you would pull down to release the snap. Let's see if I can actually get that to work here on the fly, like so, and then to release. Inside you have the internal bag with drawstring, so if you do want to tighten that up after the contents have been placed in there. And there is this right there, magazine dump pouch, and your roll up, depending on how you want to stow this. There's a few different ways depending on how you want to arrange these surfaces. And let's see if this is the same. This one's a bit hard to read, so I'll let you look at that. Specialty Defense. And this one, Patriot Industries. So magazine dump pouches. All right, continuing. Here in this labeled, US issue LC2 Alice pack straps used. So, let's see if we get these open. We have to cut this one open. Luckily, we do have scissors. Let's go in this way. So they did say on the website that they would match whatever they had. You can see here we actually have two different ones, which is interesting. But that actually helps. The left hand one versus a right hand one. You can see the attachment areas, as well as you can see how this goes together to secure this component to this one here to assist in dismounting and mounting a loaded pack, because it can be hard to bring over the shoulders at the same time with both straps. So giving yourself an open strap and then closing that when you're ready to move. So we got here again two of the LC2 straps for the Alice pack, and I believe the last item we have here is this. Should be a USMC FILBE 3-day assault pack military surplus grade 2, so used. And okay, right way. All the zippers look intact, which is good. We have pull cords, cross sternum strap, lower belt strap, two pads, your shoulder straps. Here we got a label. Looks like this one was proper. And also here you have the detachment point to assist with mounting the pack when it is loaded. Likewise on this side, if you would rather go in from this direction. Those are really salty. And you got your compression straps on the sides here, like that one. So a smaller pouch back here, the internal mesh pouch. You see all the MOLLE loops. Attachment points below. And here's your drain grommets under there. You can see where I left a round imprint. A little bit easier to see. There's one that's easier to see there. Okay, so we got compression straps at the top there. And let's see about getting inside the larger compartment. You can see how the zipper is asymmetrical, so wider axis on this side, but shorter axis on this side. This one did come with the soft plastic frame insert, and you can see the internal strap here, kind of this internal baggy area, and then the large pocket going all the way to the bottom there. So, working away backwards, USMC FILBE 3-day assault pack, military surplus grade 2. Pretty good shape. We had two mismatched set of US issue LC2 Alice pack straps used. We also had two of these USMC issue Coyote MOLLE dump pouch, military surplus. Leapfrogging, we also had the US issue ACU knee and elbow pad set type 2 new. We also have 2-pack new USMC hydration GP MOLLE pouch special kit made up of USMC FILBE hydration pouch military surplus grade 1s. And we had started off originally with an Eagle Industries MBITR radio pocket used. And these all came from Army Navy Outdoors. Feel free to check them out. A large variety of items. Army Navy Outdoors. This has been another unboxing video. Feel free to check out other unboxing videos on the channel. We also do show and tell videos on vintage milsurp tools and expanded topics. And we also do a selection of book review, media reviews, and a series called Curios for the Curious, videos of more artsy type objects. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See you next time.